Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw a cute and simple cow step by step. First, let's draw a big round face for our cute cow. Draw the curved mouth area inside the face. Add two little eyes.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, 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 skip.
Next, add two tiny nostrils.
Skip to my
Let's draw the two horns on top of the head.
ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream,
Now add one ear on both sides.
my darling.
Wow! Those ears make our cow look extra adorable. Time to draw the body. Make a large rounded shape.
Cows in the pasture, moo,
Draw the legs underneath.
moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Strong little legs to help our cow walk around the farm.
To my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip
Let's add a long tail at the back.
loo, loo. Skip to my
Don't forget the fluffy tip.
loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo.
Now carefully trace over the drawing with a darker outline.
2 by 2, off to Texas.
This makes everything look neat, clear, and professional.
To my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's add the first black spot on the body.
My partner, what'll
Every cow needs its unique pattern.
I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo.
Now draw another spot in the middle.
To my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my
Finally, add the last spot near the back. And just like that, our cow is complete. Awesome! Look how a few simple shapes turned into this super cute cow drawing.